Hi, this is David. I'm with Republic Manufacturing, and today I wanted to show you guys how we uninstall and install the bearing housing assembly on our new RBX series blowers. This particular blower is our RBX150, and just like on the RB series blowers, the belt installation and removal is the same. So we're going to just skip that step and get right into it. So here are the tools you'll need: an impact, 1/4-inch Allen socket, a 3/8 socket, a deep 12 3/8 socket, some anti-seize, a torque wrench set to 25 foot-pounds, and 2 clamps. First thing we'll have to do, just like on the RB blowers, is we'll have to remove the bearing housing here. And so we're going to take our impact and remove this band clamp. We have 4 bolts here that we'll have to remove. Once the 4 bolts are loose, we can go ahead and remove those. And once our 4 bolts have been removed, we can go ahead and slide our bearing housing assembly out. Now to reinstall the bearing housing assembly, we'll just slide it back through. And make sure we slide it all the way through. And then we'll take our 4 bolts and install those back to hold the bearing housing assembly on. Now in some cases, you may need to add some anti-seize to the bolts to make sure they don't stick. So we'll use our impact to tighten them up, but we're going to turn down our impact so we don't over torque them. Once we have our bolts nice and snug, we're going to use our torque wrench set to 25 foot-pounds to go ahead and torque the bolts down. Once we have the bolts torqued down, we can go ahead and reinstall our bearing housing assembly. A clamp is how we will secure it. And now we'll go ahead and install our band clamp. Okay, so now we'll tighten our band clamp to install our housing, remove our clamps, and we're all set. If you have any questions, please contact our Republic sales rep. Thank you.